Hi, my name's Bob.
Hi, my name's Bobby B.
I'm building a house.
Why? This is my property.
What's your property?
It means I own this place.
Really?
Yeah.
Sorry.
What was that?
I think it was a brick. Well.
One question. Did you use concrete?
Huh? What's concrete?
It's something that saves bricks from doing this.
What?
That.
Well. Stick it up there. There we go.
Yeah, but you never told me why you're building on my land.
Oh well, gotta go.